Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Gorilla Tag surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Gorilla Tag surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by taking my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'll give it a nice fold right down the middle. That way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to fold my paper one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold down the middle, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, I like to turn it this way, so when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing at. Now, to start off with our Gorilla Tag surprise fold, let's begin by making the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a diagonal line that comes in. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'll make another diagonal line that comes up here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and then I'll make another line that's just going to come down and then up here. Inside of here, I'm going to redraw that same shape, so I'll make a line right across the top of each one. And then I'll draw a line that goes down and then up inside of each one for the inside of the eyes. Right here, let's draw a circle for a little reflection in the eye. And then we're going to put another circle over here towards the side. Next, let's just go ahead and color this part in really quickly. Now, our next step is to draw the nose. I'm just going to make two circles that are filled in for the nostrils of our Gorilla Tag character. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a small line that comes up on each side. Then we'll draw a line that's going to curve around up here. And we'll do the same thing here. Just curve this line right around up here. Then I'm just going to make a little line that kind of curves down, then back up. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up here. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go down and then down and up again. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around here and then come down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. And then same thing here. Let's just go down and then in. Then let's go ahead and connect this right here. Next, right here, let's go out, down, and then in for an ear. And the same thing here, just go out, down, and then in for the ear. Next, right here, I'm going to go out and then down for the shoulder. And then same thing here, I'm just going to go out and down for the shoulder. Now right here, I'm going to come up. We're going to go over and then down for the chest. Now here's our basic Gorilla Tag character. Now we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Gorilla Tag character. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down on each side. I'll bring this line down on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to draw some fun things inside of here. I want to draw a couple badges and a hat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the Gorilla Tag Finger Painter badge. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'll start by making a line that's going to go down and then up with a V shape. Then right here across the top, I'm going to make a wavy line, and I'll do the same thing here, just make a wavy line. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and down, and then same thing here, I'm going to curve up and down. Next, I'm going to bring this down, and I'll bring this down a little bit. I'm going to draw this line out. Then I'm going to make a wavy line that's going to go down and then come up. I want to make this curve around here. Then I'm just going to curve this down and bring it over here. So we got our little finger painter badge. Next, over here, I want to draw the crystal badge. So to draw the crystal badge, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up on each side. I'm going to bring each line in, and then I'll connect it with a line across. Right here, I'll make a little line up, and then a longer line down. We'll come in on each side, and then across. I'll make two lines that come up here, two lines that come in, and then a line across. Right here, I'll make a line that comes in at an angle. We'll go over, we'll come down at an angle, and then straight down. Then right here, I'm going to come up at an angle. We'll go over, I'll come down, and then straight down. Next, I'm just going to make a little zigzag line across, and I'm going to bring this line down a little farther. Next, I'm going to come out and then down, and then out and down, and then a little line across. Now, finally, I want to draw the banana hat over here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up on each side. Then I'm going to bring the lines in on each side at an angle. Then I'm going to come up, over, and then down. Right here, I'm going to come down at an angle, and then down at an angle over here. I'm going to make a small line. Then I'm going to bring this up and then straight up. So I kind of curve this up and then bring it straight up to a point. Then I'm going to bring this down on each side. And then I'll bring it down to a point. And then I just like to color in just the very end of each one, just like this. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and draw the mouth of our Gorilla Tag character. So I'm going to begin by drawing this line out and down, and then I'll do the same thing right here. I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'm going to curve this line in and down to here, and same thing here. We'll curve this in and then down. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve down and up, and then down and up for the mouth. Then let's draw a line down, and let's draw a line down. I'm going to curve this around and bring it up here. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down for a tongue. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to jump over and connect it to here. And then same thing here. Bring this line down and bring this line up. And there you go. There is your Gorilla Tag surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have just a regular looking Gorilla Tag character. When we open it up, we've got all the different badges and the hat inside the mouth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.